We at Hapag-Lloyd want to make sure to provide you with information and email content that's relevant to you. Your new personal email preference center is waiting. And here's how it works. We offer two types of email subscriptions. In your personal email preference center, select which types of updates and newsletters you want to receive from us. In our online business suite, we offer automated tracing alerts for your shipments. To sign up for our newsletters, go to News and Navigator on our Hapag-Lloyd website. Click Subscribe. After filling in your name and email address and clicking Subscribe, you will receive an email from us in your inbox. By clicking on the link in the email, you will confirm to receive communication from us. After a few minutes, you will receive an email with a link to your personal email preference center. Here you can update your personal information at any time. Choose to receive our monthly newsletter called Navigator, where we publish Hapag-Lloyd stories and behind-the-scenes insights. Signing up for press releases means you will no longer miss out on any official press communication from us. By choosing the Customer News, you will receive updates on our services and products relevant to your business. You might, for example, only be interested in receiving updates on our liner services and schedules, as well as changes in applicable surcharges. The last step is to let us know which trades and geographies are relevant to your business, so you receive the best tailored content. Of course, you can unsubscribe from all of our messages at any time by going into the Preference Center or by simply clicking the link in the email footer of the mails you receive from us. If you just need a break, select the Pause for 30 days checkbox. Click Submit, and that's it. In order to stay up to date on the status of your shipments, please go to our online business and select Tracing. Log in or register if you do not yet have an account. Here you may subscribe to receive email notifications on schedule adjustment information for your shipments. Define after how many hours of deviation you want to be notified. You want to receive emails only for specific tracing events? No problem. Select the events relevant for your shipment. Fill in your email address and submit. That was easy, wasn't it? You will now receive our latest news tailored to your interest. We'll be in touch.